Sometimes the problem lies within the Outlook application itself. We'll demonstrate how to repair Outlook through Windows settings, or if necessary, how to completely reinstall it. This can resolve software glitches causing the offline issue. If repairing doesn't work, you may need to reinstall Outlook. Start by uninstalling it completely, then download and install the latest version from the Microsoft Office website. Make sure to back up any important emails first. Sometimes antivirus software or firewalls can mistakenly block Outlook from connecting to your mail server. This security feature, while important for protection, can prevent Outlook from working properly. We'll guide you through checking these settings and whitelisting Outlook to restore connectivity. First, check your antivirus settings. Open your antivirus program and look for options like web protection, email scanning, or real-time protection. These features might be blocking Outlook's connection. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. Next, examine your firewall settings. In Windows, access the firewall through Control Panel or Windows Security. Check if Outlook is listed as a blocked application. Make sure it's allowed to send and receive data through both private and public networks. Finally, whitelist Outlook in your security software. In both your antivirus and firewall, look for exclusions or allow lists. Add the Outlook executable file, typically outlook.exe, to these trusted lists. This tells your security software to allow Outlook full access to the internet and mail servers. After adjusting your settings and whitelisting Outlook, restart the application and try connecting again. If the problem continues, check your specific antivirus or firewall documentation for additional troubleshooting steps. Tech experts and analysts offer insights into how Outlook's offline mode is evolving. AI, cloud integration, and user-centric design are making these issues less common and reducing the need for manual fixes. Brad Anderson from Tech Republic notes that offline mode is becoming outdated. AI-driven fixes are making it obsolete, with proactive solutions expected in upcoming versions. Michael Muchmore from PC Mag explains that simple toggles work well for home users, but enterprises benefit from policy enforcement to prevent productivity losses. Looking ahead, experts predict offline mode will become hybrid sync with edge computing. AI will enable predictive switching, minimizing the need for manual interventions. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video and reinforce the best practices for preventing and resolving Outlook offline issues. We'll provide a checklist of steps to follow whenever you encounter connectivity problems. First, the key takeaways. Check your network connection first when issues arise. Verify that account settings are correct. Use repair tools for software problems. Clear cache and run in safe mode if needed. And keep Outlook updated to benefit from AI-driven fixes. Now, for best practices, test your internet connection. Toggle offline mode manually if needed. Repair account settings through Outlook options. Update your antivirus software. Run Outlook in safe mode to isolate issues. Clear cache and OST files periodically. And keep your software updated regularly. Following this checklist will help you quickly resolve most Outlook offline issues and prevent them from recurring. To stay current with the latest fixes for Outlook offline mode issues, visit Microsoft's official support website at support.microsoft.com. This site provides detailed guides, troubleshooting steps, and updates directly from Microsoft. Additionally, user communities and forums offer valuable insights from other users who have faced similar problems. Check platforms like Reddit's r/Outlook or Microsoft's own forums for community-driven solutions. By regularly checking these resources, you can ensure your Outlook experience remains reliable and up to date.